you very much for joining me. A long overdue recipe, authentic beef madras. I'll put all the ingredients in the description of the video. First of all, let's start by marinating our beef. Nice lean beef cut up into chunks. So we've got some strained or hung yogurt there, so it has very little water content. Ginger and garlic paste. This is optional, it's all up to you how tender you want your beef. This is tenderizer. It's called papain, and it's an enzyme from the papaya extract that breaks down molecules of protein, and it's really great for marinating hearty meat dishes. Turmeric, tamarind pulp. You can use it from a bottle or you can use it fresh, all up to you. And some salt. So 80% of the population of India are Hindu and they do not eat beef, but there's a significant population of Islam in Chennai that love beef. So that's all nicely mixed, so that can have cling film over it, and it can sit in the fridge from anywhere to 3 hours up to 3 days. It all depends on how thorough you want your marinade, but don't overdo it with a tenderizer. You can end up really breaking down too many proteins and ending up with a meat mush. But to do it authentic, we're going to need some really flavoursome Madras or Chennai curry powder, but not the English version, but the real Indian version. So we've got some cloves, coriander seed, cumin seed, black pepper, red chilies, mustard seed, fenugreek seed, green cardamom, black cardamom, and curry leaves, and 1 shard of mace. Pan on a medium heat. Some people put the larger ingredients first, but that's fine. You do it nice and gently. You don't need to. You just need to roast that off to allow those spices to release their essential oil. You can break up your chilies if you like, and your mace and your black cardamom. Got those little cute seeds inside, and nothing beats this flavour of fresh curry leaves. So my seeds are starting to pop. There's a lot of aroma in the air, and now just put them back into the bowl, and that's all just going to be put into a grinder. So there we have some super fragrant Madras style curry powder. Now it's time to heat some ghee as required. So next we're going to add chopped onion. We've already added a little bit of salt in the marinade, so salt to taste. So we want a slightly smoky taste. We just burn a red chilli. You don't want to actually cremate it, but you do want it to be nice and blackened. There's so many ways to smoke. Liquid smoke to the danga method, which you can see on my channel. And that's going into the oil early as well. So those onions are starting to brown. Next, let's add our marinated beef. We're just going to mix that in with the onions. Turn the heat down to a medium low as well. And just make sure the onions are mixed in with the yogurt to stop them burning. So add some water. Now it's just a case of boiling down your beef until it's super soft. Add water if it dries out. So that's reduced. The oil split. Now it's time to add our masala powder and some more water. So for added flavour, purposely put the sauce on the sides of the pan. Once it caramelises, scrape it back. Just took a few minutes, and you can keep on doing that as you're reducing. The trick is not to char it. So that's a little bit of caramelisation there. Next we're going to add 3 fresh tomatoes blended into a smooth paste, and the green chilli. So I've just gone back into the house and came back outside. That's when you really appreciate the aroma. A little bit more water, then just turn the heat down to a minimum for the last couple of minutes. So now we're just going to heat some ghee in a little kadai. So next, put some fresh curry leaves, mustard and a dried red chilli, just as a tarka or seasoned oil garnish. Just want to infuse the ghee with those flavours. Not sure if you noticed the pliers when I introduced the ingredients at the beginning, but now you know what they're for. And here's our dish. I just want it and there you have it. So I hope you really enjoyed the video. It's just started to rain, so I'm really lucky with that one. Thank you very much for watching. Feel free to like, share and subscribe.